Introducing the Power Tower, a multifunctional home gym that gives you a total workout. Perform wide grip pull-ups to strengthen your upper body, shoulders, and back, or perform some narrow grip pull-ups to target your shoulders, arms, chest, and core, or focus on your core and legs with sets of parallel bar leg lifts. Parallel bar extensions will pump up your triceps, shoulders, core, and back. Made with premium materials that'll keep you comfortable during your workouts. Designed with an ergonomic curved backrest for proper support, and it has non-slip rubber foot pads so it won't scratch your floors. Easy to fold up once you're done working out. It's time to get in shape with an Lmdex Power Tower multifunctional home gym.
Introducing the RELIFE Power Tower. Every kit comes with additional spare parts. Assembly is easy with all tools provided. Keep bar holders facing inside. You can put together the Power Tower by yourself or with help from a friend. Remove wooden plug before you put on the back support. The height of the pull-up bar is adjustable. Set it to your preferred height. Simple twist locks keep the Power Tower stable. You can do pull-ups, chin-ups, dips, knee raise, push-ups.